Hillary 30, Hillary 30, Hillary all in, Hillary 30 pounds an hour, Hillary lights out, all in all in. Hillary, here we go, 49,000 miles on board.
All right, another beautiful day in Arkansas. Got a few to bid on today. Just trucks is what I'm mainly looking for. Do have a couple others if they're cheap enough. I'll get them. That truck's back, the grandpa truck. It's cheap enough, we'll bid on it. This one's here, it's not gonna be cheap enough, but if it is, we'll grab it up. We already looked at it. Looks the same as last week, I double checked. Let's see. This little Cruise is still here. It actually, I guess we didn't sell last week, so got this truck that they wanted too much for. Got this truck they wanted too much for, but I am going to try again on it. And who knows, maybe they'll let it go this time. Little Nissan in the back, HHR, little Focus. If they're cheap enough, I'll bid on them. And then this truck right here, it needs some work here and there. As you can see, they took a little brow off top. It is 7.3 liter Power Stroke. I better make sure it's 7.3 liter, huh? I want a 6.0. Unless it's cheap, of course. But yeah, this one, it needs a little cleaning up and stuff, but overall it's pretty good shape. Oh. All right, let's see what engine it has in it. And that is a 6.0, so this thing had to be cheap for me to buy it. It could happen though. But yeah, I really, yeah, there's another truck I was gonna show you too. This one, we'll see if we'll win it. We'll try it for cheap. Go back here, I forgot about this other truck. Well, Acure's gonna be too high, but if not, I would bid on that too. Nice car. Here it is. She's got some dents in her here and there, but overall, this is a clean truck. Does have an exhaust leak, but it runs good, drives good, and all that. And they're coming out with a Spark over here real quick, so I'm gonna go down here and check it out real quick. And yeah, there it is. So I'll check it out when they park it. Well, guys, didn't get anything today. That's okay. I've got plenty to go at the house, and they got more that's gonna be here next week and stuff, so that's all right. We'll try again next time.
All right, guys, we are at You Pull It. You see all these cars out here. We gotta grab some parts, hopefully, for some of the cars we got at the Ford lot. I don't know. We'll see what we can find out here. If we find anything cool, we'll look at it while we're out here too. Got my cameraman Nate with me. Check out his channel, Things with Nate.
Yep.
He does some pretty cool stuff. Sometimes he'll look at some cars, he'll try different food, stuff like that. Just having fun.
Yep.
See any cars you like out here, man?
No, that look like piece of crafts to me.
Yeah, these are a lot of sedans, man.
Yeah.
There's a Mustang, a couple Mustangs.
The Mustang right there.
They don't have the Kia Rio we need.
Yeah.
I do need a rear bumper, but they just don't have one.
Yep. They might have the
Oh well.
other stuff you're looking for though.
Oh yeah, they may.
If they do, we'll find it.
Gave us this wheelbarrow here.
Yeah, real nice wear barrel. Yeah.
Look at this little car. It's cool.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it's kind of.
It beat to death and there's no parts on it, but
Yeah.
cool car.
Yeah, it's a cool body.
Was at one time.
Yeah.
Man, I've just not seen any cool cars out here even. I thought I would.
Yeah.
Here's a minivan. Guess we could try to find the part to find the Odyssey. Now we're over in the minivan. Hey, that's kind of a cool old little pickup,
Little pickup.
I guess. Get some old Dodge truck. We do need seat of a Dodge truck. There's shoes on it on the seat guard.
Yeah. All right.
Getting close to the trucks. I see them down there.
Yeah, there's something down there.
Think we'll find the seat for the F-150?
Maybe. Hopefully this wheelbarrow will pull it.
If not, you can do it, strapping young man. Hey,
Uh-huh.
here's some hottie sedans. Let's look over here and see if there's part of them.
All right.
Ooh. I think these are just too old. Let's see what year it is.
You need this one right here, right? It's hot outside today.
Yeah, that's 02.
Dang. And you need a what?
Your name is 07.
Too old. All right.
Is the Dodge pickup right here, or is this the Chevy?
I don't know.
That seat's tore up either way. Let's check out the seat in this Dodge. It's tore up.
I'd say most of the seats in here are tore up.
Here's an Expedition. Let's see if that seat's any good. It'd be the same as my F-150.
Yeah.
Another one there.
Got us some tools in case we need to use them.
Oh yeah, it's gone.
Ugh.
That's no good.
Yeah, that's a little messed up, I'd
Oh,
say.
the Ram needs a door speaker too.
A door speaker?
Yeah.
All right.
How's the seat? Nope, seat's tore up in that one.
Yeah.
There's that F-150.
There's a hole in this one, but it's not tore up. Tore up is. Oh. Put this back up here. All right. Well, we didn't seem to find anything good.
Yeah.
Anything worth salvageable.
Junkyard's pretty junky. Need to get some more vehicles in here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, COVID's messing it up.
Some of these things, they just need to go on a crush.
Yeah.
But, you know, that's fine. We could just order the parts online, put them on later.
Yeah, we have to.
If we have to. It didn't cost us nothing to come out here other than the gas, I guess. So.
Let me look at this seat. I think it's seat.
Problem with most of them is if they got holes in them, or they're tan instead of gray. We need gray leather. Yeah, we already looked at this one.
Yeah.
We need gray leather, not tan. And a lot of them right here are tan. Some of them just didn't even have a seat in them. Ooh. I think somebody crashed this truck.
Yeah, this seat's just as bad as what we got. So. Okay. We'll make a loop around these vans real quick to make sure we need and we'll head on it.
All right.
Maybe we'll try another junkyard.
Maybe.
All right, guys.
All right, guys.
Okay, well, we got the spark plugs changed. They were they were a little nasty, but they weren't like crazy or nothing. I don't know why it's not focusing here. There it goes. Definitely a change when I started up. I didn't know that these 5.2 V8s had Holley carburetors on them, or throttle bodies anyway. So that was pretty neat. So I guess back there, probably can't see it, but see where all the wires are going back there. That is where the distributor is, so that's gonna be fun. But we'll get that done. I got the coil replaced. It does sound and run a lot better.